Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing defamation cases via social media and the related court rulings regarding the publication of verdicts through online channels. This is a response to the growing use of online platforms today, particularly YouTube and Facebook, where defamatory content can spread quickly. In the case of defamation that occurred, the court ordered the defendant to publish the verdict through newspapers and online news websites to inform the public of the court's decision. The purpose of publishing the verdict is to restore the plaintiff's reputation and to help the public understand what happened. The defamation in this case severely impacted the reputation of the plaintiff, who was a journalist. Publishing the verdict allows the public to understand the case's outcome and helps the plaintiff restore credibility in their profession. The defendant is also responsible for the costs of publishing the verdict to ensure that the reputation restoration has a real effect. Legally, Section 332 of the Penal Code allows the court to order the defendant to publish the verdict in defamation cases to restore the plaintiff's reputation. In today's world, publishing verdicts through online media is an appropriate and necessary tool for addressing digital age issues. So if you use social media to post or share content, it is important to be cautious about what you publish to avoid defamation and potential lawsuits that may result in negative consequences. Thank you to everyone who tuned in to this podcast from Siam Central Law Group. We hope you will use media responsibly and carefully when posting online. See you in the next episode. Thank you.